Sizzling tofu na may adobong chicken liver, parang kakaiba ata yun. Tara na guys at sabay-sabay nating alamin paano iluto at tikman ang naiibang ulam na to. Let's get started! Saute onion and garlic, season with salt, lagyan ng bay leaf, cook until fragrant, i-add ang chicken liver, season ng soy sauce, suka, and paminta. Cook until sauce evaporate and set aside. Gagamit tayo sa sauce ng tubig, flour, liquid seasoning, cooking wine, soy sauce, mix and set aside. Mag-melt ng butter sa pan, isute ang onion and garlic until fragrant. Lagyan ng carrot, isiso ng salt. After few seconds, ilagay na ang tofu, ang red and green bell pepper, timplahan ng ginisa mix, paminta, cook few minutes and set aside. Pakuluin natin ang sauce mixture until thickens and set aside. Sa isang mainit na metal plate, lagyan ng butter until smoking hot and ilagay ang cooked tofu, arrange evenly. And next yung adobong liver, arrange nicely. At ibuhos natin ang sauce, make sure covered lahat ang liver. Lagyan ng egg, garnish ng green chili, onion, and red chili, and ready to serve na yan. Siyempre, best serve ng mainit at asim kilig ng kalamansi. Kaya kuha na ng kanin at kainan na. Tara!